Welcome to my channel Explore Life with Shutapa. How are you all doing? Must be great, as this is the time of the year when all the bird and wildlife photographers and all birders are all busy. Why? Because there are a lot of birds migrating to India during this time and we are all busy exploring and photographing them. One such beautiful bird is Siberian Rubythroat. This video is about this beautiful and elusive bird, Siberian Rubythroat. On 30th November 2024, I visited Rajarhat to shoot the Siberian Rubythroat. They visit the Rajarhat area since the time this area was completely wild. Some birds still visit the area. The number of rubythroats visiting Kolkata and nearby areas are not less. However, this bird is an absolute skulker and a very shy bird. It's also a restless songbird. Photographing it in the wild is really difficult. We reached the location and the side of the road where there are shrubs are the habitat of Siberian rubythroat. It generally dwells on the ground. There were already few birders and bird photographers who were waiting patiently for the glimpse of the beauty. Finally, it came out. Siberian rubythroat is a long-legged songbird that winters in areas with dense undergrowth coverage, often near wet areas. Siberian rubythroat breeds in open taiga and highland forest clearings, pale brown above and whitish below with olive brown flanks. Adult males have a beautiful red throat while female lacks the red color in their throat. They also have a beautiful white brow. The Siberian rubythroat come all the way from Mongolia, China, Siberia, Japan, etc. After sitting on the perch for just a few seconds, it went away. Again a long wait. After about 30 minutes or so, it came out, but not in the open. It remained inside. And then, unexpectedly, this bird flew away and sat on a branch on a tree. This behavior is very uncommon for a bird like Siberian rubythroat, which generally dwells near the ground, and sitting on a tree and then calling from there was very amusing, and all the birders and photographers were enjoying this moment. It went back into the bushes and again a long wait. At the time I was enjoying the nature all around. For birds and wildlife photography, patience is the main key. So we had to wait for the glimpse of the bird for a long time. And after really a long wait, it came to the proper perch. Here are a few shots. And this was my very short expedition for the Siberian Rubythroat. Hope you all liked it. And if you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell because every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So, till the next time, next video, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.